first F-35s arrive in Denmark to replace F-16s to be transferred to Ukraine. 4 F-35 fighter jets landed on September the 14th at an airbase in Denmark in the first installment of the US-made planes ordered by the NATO member to replace its aging fleet of F-16s, some of which have been promised to Ukraine. 4 F-35 fighter jets landed at an airbase in Denmark in the first installment of the US-made planes ordered by the NATO member to replace its aging fleet of F-16s, some of which have been promised to Ukraine. The statement reads, "Dignitaries and officials clapped as the planes, in Danish Air Force colours, did several flyovers before landing at the Skidstrup airbase." Ukraine has been asking for Western fighter jets to help it resist the Russian invasion that began in February 2022. The United States recently gave its approval for Denmark and the Netherlands to provide Ukraine with the American-made jets. Denmark has ordered a total of 27 F-35 fighter jets for $2.2 billion. They will replace the country's fleet of 30 F-16s, which are more than 40 years old, in a transition that will last through the end of 2025. Following the ceremonial arrival, the initial 4 planes will be formally handed over to Denmark by the US manufacturer Lockheed Martin on October the 1st. As reported, Denmark and the Netherlands play a leading role in the aircraft coalition to provide Ukraine with F-16 fighter jets and to provide training for Ukrainian military pilots and maintenance personnel. On August the 20th, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenski and Danish Prime Minister Mette Frederiksen visited Skidstrup military airbase to inspect one of the F-16s. During the visit, President Zelensky spoke with Ukrainian pilots who are undergoing training on F-16s.